ये फैसला इस संविधान की जीत है। ये फैसला असंवैधानिक था, ये संविधान पर प्रहार था, ये इस देश के दलितों, वंचितों, आदिवासियों, पिछड़ों के आरक्षण पर प्रहार था। सरकार को बैकफुट पर जाकर अपना फैसला बदलना पड़ रहा है। लैटरल एंट्री मतलब सीधी भर्ती पर रोक लग रही है और इसका पूरा श्रेय मैं देना चाहूंगी अपने नेता राहुल गांधी को, कांग्रेस अध्यक्ष खड़गे जी को, समूचे विपक्ष को, जिन्होंने पुरजोर तरीके से इस असंवैधानिक फैसले का, आरक्षण विरोधी फैसले का विरोध किया। और मोदी जी इसमें बिल्कुल भी क्रेडिट लेने की कोशिश ना करें, क्योंकि लोगों के खिलाफ, दलितों, आदिवासियों, पिछड़ों के खिलाफ यह साजिश आपकी नाक के नीचे रची गई थी, तो इसमें बिल्कुल क्रेडिट ना लीजिए। आपके घटक दल आपसे नाराज थे। मोदी 3.0 में आपको बार बार ऐसे फैसले देखने को मिलेंगे जहां पर सरकार बैकफुट पर जाएगी, और यही लोकतंत्र की, यही संविधान की जीत है।
How do you see the latest development in the lateral entry issue? The Department of DOPT Minister has written to the chairperson of UPSC on cancelling the lateral entry advertisement as per directions of the Prime Minister.
The cancellation of the lateral entry ad is a victory of India's constitution. It's a victory of the people of India. It's a victory of the voice of India. And I will tell you why. Simply because the lateral entry ad, where 45 positions were being advertised, keeping aside reservations, quashing the rights of people who come from the SC, ST, OBC communities, this was absolutely unconstitutional. I am extremely glad and honored to be associated and work for a party where my leader Rahul Gandhi, my President Kharge ji, the entire India bloc was up in arms against as far as this ad was concerned. The Modi government is on the back foot, and given the kind of vociferous opponents and opposition that they were seeing to these ads, they've had to withdraw. Mr. Modi cannot take the credit for withdrawal even for a minute, because this happened right under his nose. So he can take no credit whatsoever. This is, of course, the victory of India's constitution, and this is also Modi 3.0, in which you will see various decisions of the Modi government being constantly withdrawn, whether it's the broadcasting bill, whether it's the Waqf board, whether it is this, they will be rethinking, and this is what democracy is all about.